keep backyard chickens all over the world. The meat and eggs are rich in protein and they help to generate income. However, backyard chickens can have its problems. Dirty drinking water, unclean surroundings, and improper food can make chickens sick. Common diseases include diarrhea, salmonellosis, Newcastle disease, fowl-pox, and nutrition deficiencies.
आम्ही जेव्हा कोंबड्यांचं सुरुवातीला निरीक्षण करतो
When we observe the chickens, sometimes they look dull and refuse to eat. Their wattles and comb look pale. There is a discharge from the nose or eyes. Birds may sneeze frequently. This is how we identify sick chickens.
अशा प्रकारे आम्ही कोंबड्या आजारी असल्याचे लक्षणे ओळखतो.
When chickens fall ill, they may stop producing eggs or their eggs may be no good. Some chickens may even die. You can spend a lot of money to cure your sick chickens. But there are some simple and natural ways to easily prevent these problems, as we will learn in this video from farmers in India. Always remember that prevention is easier than finding a cure. Unclean surroundings are one of the biggest reasons why chickens get ill. Clean the coop area every day. Remove the poop from the coop and nesting box areas. Remove the uneaten or spilled feed. Ensure that chickens have always enough clean drinking water to keep them healthy. You can buy water containers from your local agri shop, or you can use a big saucer or plate as a watering dish.
कोंबड्यांना पाणी देताना कोंबड्या जेव्हा घाण पाणी पितात तेव्हा त्या
When chickens drink dirty water, they fall sick. Their health deteriorates. So I give them clean drinking water, and every week I wash the watering dish with soap and dry it in the sun.
त्यांना मी पाणी त्याच्यात पाणी देते. त्यांच्याने त्यांचं आरोग्य ठीक राहतं.
To purify the drinking water, add a pinch of turmeric powder. You can also add potassium permanganate, about the size of a mustard seed, for a glass of water. Both products kill germs and they prevent infection in the chickens. Feed chickens a balanced diet. Give them grains like wheat, maize, rice, and pearl millet. Occasionally, you can also give them oil seeds, pulses, and greens.
आम्ही कोंबड्यांना योग्य पद्धतीने खाद्य देत असतो.
We always give our chickens a balanced diet. We use a feeder to feed our chicken. This way they waste less feed. If we spread the feed directly on the ground, then feed gets wasted and is spoiled. We clean the feeder every week.
आम्ही भांडीचा वापर करतो आणि स्वच्छ भांडी धुवून घेतो दर आठवड्याला.
You can use garlic and onion to keep your chickens healthy. Garlic and onion help to prevent infections. You can add the garlic and onion to the regular feed. During the rainy and winter season, chop 2 cloves of garlic and mix it in the feed. This is sufficient for 5 chickens. In summer, you can take a teaspoon of chopped onion and mix it with the feed. This amount is good for about 5 small chickens. For larger chickens, double the amount. Give the chopped garlic or onion once a week. If the weather changes and you suspect that the chickens may get sick, you can feed them twice a week or more often. Once a month, You can feed the leaves of bitter gourd or other bitter medicinal plants such as kadu kirayat, curry leaves or neem leaves. Cut the leaves in small pieces and mix them in the feed. Add 1 teaspoon for each chicken.
जंत झालेलं आम्ही असं ओळखतो.
When the excrement of chickens is red and shows signs of worms, we know the chickens have internal worms. To prevent this, we give chickens the extract of boiled peel of pomegranate.
आणि एक एक चमचा त्यांना पाजायचा.
Once every 3 months, you can deworm the chickens with fresh pomegranate fruit peel. Boil a handful of peel in half a cup of water for 15 minutes. Strain the extract. After cooling, feed a tablespoon of the extract to each chicken. Give this extract for 2 days. You can also use papaya sap to deworm the chickens. To get papaya sap, carve the skin of an unripe papaya fruit with a knife and collect the sap in a spoon.
आपल्याला जर पपईचा चिक पाहिजे असेल तो तो
If you want to extract papaya sap, you should collect it early in the morning so that you can get enough sap. You can't extract much sap from plucked fruit. That's why we extract sap from papaya fruit on the tree.
निघू नाही शकत. त्यासाठी आपल्याला झाडावरच्याच पपईचा चिक काढावा लागतो.
Take 5 tablespoons of sap and mix it in the drinking water. This quantity is good for 10 chickens. Give this sap to the chickens for 5 days in a row. Another way to deworm chickens is to mix a pinch of chopped betel nut once a month in the feed for 10 chickens. Calcium is an essential nutrient for chickens to build healthy bones and to produce hard eggshells. Eggs with a thin shell or shells that break easily are the main signs of calcium deficiency. When you start to see signs of calcium deficiency in your chickens, add calcium to their feed. Eggshells are a good source of calcium. Take about 10 empty eggshells and boil them for 10 minutes to kill possible germs. Dry the eggshells in the sun for about 4 hours.
आपण जेव्हा अंड्याची कवच उकळवतो ना त्या कवच
Boil the eggshells and dry them properly in the sun because we don't want them to smell like eggs. Otherwise, the chickens will start breaking and eating their own eggs. That's why we properly dry the eggshells, grind them, and give them to the chickens with the feed.
ते वाळवून घ्यायचे आणि त्याची बारीक पूड करायची आणि ती कोंबड्यांना खायला द्यायची.
Once the eggshells are fully dried, grind them into fine pieces and store them in an airtight container. Mix 1 tablespoon of crushed eggshell with the chicken feed. Continue this practice until the chickens lay normal eggs again with solid shells. Besides empty eggshells, you can also use other products to prevent calcium deficiency.
कोंबड्यांची कॅल्शियमची कमतरता
We recognize calcium deficiency in chickens when they begin laying eggs with thin shells that break easily. We mix half a tablespoon of hydrated lime in wheat flour and make small balls of the mixture and feed them to chickens. This helps to reduce calcium deficiency and chickens lay good eggs.
चांगलं अंड देतात.
The most common external parasites seen in chickens are lice, mites, fleas, and ticks. These parasites can cause itching, broken or missing feathers, weight loss, reduced egg laying, anemia, and, in severe cases, death. You can use leaves of eucalyptus, lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, or vitex to keep away these parasites. Every month, after removing all the old straw and putting fresh straw, spread leaves of aromatic plants between the layers of straw. These leaves contain oils that have a strong smell which keep lice, mites, fleas, and ticks away. You can also tie a small bouquet of these leaves in the hen house. Let's review what we have learned in this video. Backyard chickens provide healthy food and some income to the family. Dirty drinking water, unclean surroundings, and improper food cause many diseases in chicken. Clean the coop area and remove the poop and spoiled feed every day. Purify drinking water with turmeric powder or potassium permanganate. Feed chickens a balanced diet. Add some garlic or onion to the feed to build up their immunity. Leaves of bitter medicinal plants help to prevent parasites. Deworm the chickens with the help of papaya sap, betel nut, or pomegranate fruit peel. Prevent calcium deficiency by giving the chickens some lime or crushed eggshell. Tie a small bouquet of aromatic leaves in the hen house. Their strong smell will repel parasites. If you take care of your chickens, they will stay healthy and you will get more eggs, more meat, and more profit.